Ever wondered if the universe is just a giant cosmic disco powered by an electric boogie rather than the snooze fest of random explosions and gravity we were taught in school? Well, buckle up, because we're diving into the electric universe theory, where science meets a spiritual rave and everything's connected in a cosmic electric dance. Imagine Nikola Tesla DJing at the controls, remixing our understanding of the universe with a bass drop that challenges everything from the Big Bang to Einstein's most famous hairdo. His theory of relativity, this isn't just about swapping physics textbooks for rave flyers. It's an invitation to the ultimate after-party where the law of attraction means we're all vibing on the same cosmic frequency. Picture the sun, not as a massive nuclear reactor, but as the universe's biggest disco ball, spinning tunes of electric energy that make traditional scientists do a double take. Thanks to pioneers like Tesla and Wal Thornhill, who might as well have been wearing lab coats with sequins, we're encouraged to see the universe not as a collection of random acts of celestial chaos, but as a well-orchestrated electric symphony. And let's not forget Ralph Jurgens, the engineer who probably thought, why not power the sun with electricity, flipping the script on how we power our interstellar light shows. So as we groove deeper into the mysteries of the cosmos, let's keep our minds open to the electric universe theory. It's not just a new way of seeing the stars, it's an invitation to join the cosmic conga line and discover the electrifying connection that binds us all. Who knew astrophysics could be this much fun? What if I told you that the universe is less like a solemn gravity-driven opera and more like an electric rave party with all cosmic bodies doing the electric slide? Welcome to the electric universe theory, where electricity is the DJ and gravity's just there to hold your coat while you dance. In this neon-lit cosmos, galaxies aren't just floating in space, held together by gravity's invisible hands. Nope, they're more like cosmic disco balls, sparkling with electric currents that zip through the universe's plasma-filled dance floor. Forget about gravity's slow jams, we're talking about electric currents that sculpt the universe into its groovy shapes. And magnetism? Oh, it's just the universe's way of showing off its dance moves. When the electric currents flow, they're not just passing through, they're laying down the magnetic tracks for the universe's greatest hits. Those awe-inspiring cosmic magnetic fields you've seen pictures of, just the universe's playlist going viral. Now let's drop the beat on nuclear forces, the VIPs of the atomic world responsible for holding atoms together or letting them break it down. In the Electric Universe Club, these forces are just the electric vibes felt between charged particles getting their groove on. But here's the kicker. If electricity is the universe's headliner, then everything from the tiniest atom to the most massive galaxy is connected in a cosmic conga line. Picture the universe as one giant electric grid with stars, planets, and even you and me as nodes, all linked up by the electric charge. It's like everyone and everything is part of the same electrifying dance party. So strap on your dancing shoes and get ready to see the universe in a whole new light. The electric universe theory isn't just challenging the old scientific playlist, it's turning up the volume on an electrifying new way to understand the cosmos. It's time to see the universe as an interconnected dance floor where every cosmic move is part of the electric boogaloo. Is it possible that our entire understanding of physics is about to get zapped because the universe is actually run by a cosmic electric company? Enter the electric universe theory, the science world's equivalent of claiming the Earth is flat if the flat was supercharged and infinitely more fascinating. First up on the chopping block, the Big Bang theory. You know, the one where the universe supposedly started with a bang and not a zap. Electric universe enthusiasts, like the electrifying Wal Thornhill, argue that the universe didn't explode into existence. It's been lighting up the cosmos with electric vibes since forever. Then there's Einstein's theories of relativity, those pillars of modern physics that tell us how space, time, and gravity work. The electric universe theory basically asks us to imagine Einstein in disco attire, suggesting that electricity and magnetism are the real deal, and space-time curvature is just how the universe does the wave. Subatomic particles, those tiny dots of matter that make up everything, get a makeover too. Instead of just floating around like dust particles in a sunbeam, in the electric universe, they're doing the electric slide, actively participating in the universe's grand electric fiesta. And gravity, that force that's supposedly keeping your socks on the floor, electric universe theory gives it a noogie, claiming it's just the leftover static cling from the universe's electric shenanigans. So the electric universe theory is like the wild child of physics, challenging the academic establishment to a cosmic dance-off. It's not just a new theory, it's a party invitation to rethink everything we thought we knew about the universe, one electric boogie at a time. Imagine the universe as a giant electric rave, and you've got the idea. The electric universe theory, because why not turn the cosmos into the biggest light show in existence? Can our thoughts and emotions influence our reality? Well, buckle up, Buttercup, because the law of attraction is here to shake things up. This principle is like the universe's version of a cosmic dating app, matching your thoughts and emotions with experiences that are just a vibrational match. So you're sitting there broadcasting vibes like a radio station. If you're playing the Life is Good hits, you're likely to attract a crowd of positive experiences, dancing into your life like they own the place. On the flip side, if you're the DJ of doom and gloom, don't be surprised if your dance floor is filled with experiences you'd rather not have on your guest list. But how do you switch tracks? According to the law of attraction, it's all about the energy you're emitting. Every worry or daydream is like sending out a cosmic text message, and the universe, being the ultimate responsive friend, texts back with experiences that match your mood. Quantum physics backs this up, suggesting our thoughts and feelings are like the influences of the quantum world, shaping our reality one post at a time. To change the tune of your life, the law of attraction says to start visualizing your dream gig, feel the joy as if you've already snagged the VIP pass, and keep that vibe going. It's not about waving a magic wand and expecting a fairy godmother to fix everything overnight. It's more like planting a garden. You've got to keep watering those dreams with belief and give them some time to grow. Remember, attracting your ideal life isn't a one-click purchase. It's a craft that requires a mix of patience, trust, and a healthy dose of optimism. So, keep broadcasting those good vibes, and who knows, maybe the universe will surprise you with a cosmic pizza party, or better yet, the life you've always imagined. The law of attraction, because sometimes the universe really does take your order. Imagine if zapping your morning coffee with your mind was a legit way to get it brewing. Sounds nuts, but this is where the electric universe theory and the law of attraction crash into each other like guests at a cosmic cocktail party. Picture the universe as a giant, buzzing electrical circuit, not just floating rocks and vacuum. It's all about charged particles getting their groove on across the vast dance floor of space. Now, throw in the law of attraction, which pretty much says your brain's mood swings are like sending text messages to the universe. Feeling happy? That's like texting the cosmos a smiley face, and the universe can't help but send a few positive vibes back your way. Feeling down? That's like sending the universe a sad emoji, and, well, it might just text back with a rain cloud. Let's dive into the quantum field, the universe's version of a potential energy soup. It's where everything begins before turning into the stuff we can stub our toes on. Our thoughts and emotions stir this soup with the giant spoon of our minds, creating waves that the universe can't ignore. Essentially, we're all amateur chefs in the cosmic kitchen, seasoning the quantum field with our personal brand of emotional spice. According to the electric universe theory, these mental waves we're making are not just splashing around in our heads, they're electrifying the universal circuit, connecting with the cosmos on a level that makes Wi-Fi look like 2 tin cans and a string. This means we're not just cosmic couch potatoes, we're electricians, tweaking the universe's wiring with every thought and feeling. The electric universe theory and the law of attraction together paint a picture of a universe where we're all plugged in, influencing the grand scheme of things with our inner electrical storms. So next time you're daydreaming about winning the lottery or finding your soulmate, remember, you might just be sending cosmic sparks flying, tuning the universe to your channel. It's a wacky, wonderful idea that turns us all into wizards, waving wands made of wishes and willpower. The electric universe and the law of attraction. Because who said science couldn't be a little magical? Ever wondered if you could Jedi mind trick your way into a better life? Well, buckle up, because we're diving into how the law of attraction and the electric universe theory might just be the instruction manual we've all been missing. It's like discovering cheat codes for the game of life, where your brain's thoughts and feelings are the joystick. First off, the law of attraction isn't just about wishing for a bike and finding it parked outside your door the next day, though wouldn't that be cool though? It's more sophisticated than that. It says that your brain's vibes are like magnets, pulling in experiences that match up. But here's the kicker. It's not just happy thoughts that do the trick. It's the full-on emotional Broadway shows you're putting on in your head that really set the stage. Imagine your emotions are the universe's Spotify playlist. The tunes you play, aka feel, determine whether you're jamming to victory anthems or wallowing in sad ballads. So, the secret sauce to bending the universe to your will, keeping your emotional playlist upbeat even when life throws you a curveball. Now, mastering this cosmic DJing isn't a walk in the park. It's more like training for a mental marathon with visualization meditations as your training shoes, gratitude journaling as your hydration belt, and affirmations as your cheering squad. And let's not forget the wisdom of old-school spiritual coaches like Taoism and Buddhism. They've been in the game long before it was cool, teaching us how to keep our internal gardens weed-free and blooming with virtues. Because let's face it, you can't attract the good stuff if your mental soil is toxic. But here's the real talk. The universe isn't your personal delivery service. It doesn't operate on a strict schedule. Manifesting your desires is more like planting a tree. You water it with positive vibes, give it sunlight with more positive vibes, and then you wait. And sometimes the universe decides you're actually a cactus person, not a palm tree person. So, as we try to tap into the universe's electrical grid, remember, we're not just passive subscribers, we're co-creators, mixing and matching our thoughts and emotions to craft the lives we want. It's a bit like being in a cosmic reality show where the prize is your ideal life, brought to you by the power of electric vibes. What's next on the agenda for the electric universe theory and the law of attraction? Picture this, a cosmic brainstorming session where the universe is a giant interconnected web, and we're all sitting there, zapping it with our thoughts and feelings like we've got universal remotes. These theories are like the wild cards of science and spirituality, daring us to dream of a universe where our inner vibes can literally shape the outer cosmos. It's as if the universe is saying, go ahead, make my day, with every thought we have and emotion we feel. Imagine a world where these ideas are not just fringe theories, but part of the mainstream curriculum. Physics class might include lessons on how to positively charge your personal electromagnetic field, and self-help books would come with wiring diagrams for your brain. It's a future where science meets self-improvement in a dazzling display of cosmic connectivity. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. The road to universal enlightenment is more of a winding path than a straight shot. As we trek through the cosmic jungle, it's vital to keep our minds open and our skepticism handy. The electric universe and the law of attraction are like the breadcrumbs leading us deeper into the forest of understanding, not the final destination, but intriguing clues on a much larger treasure map. As we dive headfirst into the mysteries of the cosmos, these theories serve up a buffet of brain-tingling possibilities and exploratory adventures. So strap on your metaphysical hiking boots, keep your curiosity compass handy, and remember, in the grand scheme of things, the universe might just be the biggest mystery novel ever written, with plot twists we haven't even imagined yet.